Meron akong winish noon, and it's about you. Winish ko na parang, Lord, if in my next life, I get to choose like who I grew up with, I'd wish that I am your mom.
Talaga ba, ano?
Yeah. Hindi yung parang, Lord, sana sa susunod ko na life, sana mommy ko pa rin yung mommy ko. Hindi.
Nakakainis ka, ba't winish mo yun?
Ang winish ko,
Wish ko na ikaw
alala kong
ako
winish.
ang anak mo, tapos ikaw ang nanay ko. Bakit?
Yung
Why?
wish ko, parang,
Bakit mo nga winish yun?
kasi gusto kitang alagaan.
Hindi, naiiyak ako. Hindi tayo perfectong tao. Pero palagi mong tatandaan na may pamilya ka na tatanggapin ang lahat sa'yo.
Thank you, Mom. I want you to know that now that I'm a grown up already, it's my turn to take good care of you, and I'll continue doing that. Love you.
Didn't know what to do.